Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 1500 tail light. First, ensure you have the right tools, specifically a T25 Torx bit and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by opening your truck's tailgate. This action provides clear access to the two retaining screws that hold the tail light in place. With your Torx bit, carefully remove these two visible screws from the tail light assembly. This is the crucial first step in the removal process. Once the two screws are out, the next step is to gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back. It's important to pull directly away from the truck's body, as there are alignment pins that help secure it. You might feel a slight resistance as these pins disengage. Remember to use a steady, firm pull, but avoid any excessive force. This careful approach prevents any potential damage to the tail light housing or the surrounding bodywork. With the tail light assembly now free from the truck body, you'll see the electrical connectors. There's typically one main connector that powers all the lights. To disconnect it, simply press the small retaining tab on the connector and then pull the two halves apart. If you're replacing individual bulbs, you'll also need to twist each bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to remove them from the housing. This fully separates the tail light. Before reinstalling, take a moment to clean the area where the tail light sits. When putting it back, ensure all electrical connections are firmly secured. Align the tail light assembly's pins with their corresponding holes in the truck body, then push it firmly into place until it sits flush. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two Torx screws. Tighten them until they are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can strip the plastic housing. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.